I'm planting some tomato plants, and this is your friendly reminder to plant them deeply and then fertilize in the hole. And I'm going to show you. This is the plant that I'm going to be planting in this spot, and you can tell it is over time. I bought this as a transplant just like this past weekend, and I'm going to be burying it all the way, like maybe even to this first set of leaves if I can make it there. Definitely to that leaf. I think I need to make my hole just a little bit deeper. And tomatoes love to be planted super deeply because they have adventitious root hairs and they will grow roots all along the stem, and it'll make a much stronger tomato plant. I'm going to be using some of this Dr. Earth tomato and vegetable fertilizer, and I'm just going to be shaking just a little bit into the hole here. And this stuff smells awful. It smells just like fish meal. As you can see here, it's already started to put out these little roots. Got little hairs along the stem. Oh, there. These could also turn into roots. We're going to bury it as deeply as we can. Maybe get a stronger tomato plant out of it, because this is an indeterminate tomato. We're just gonna situate it down here into our planting hole, and we're just gonna backfill and press it down really well. And this tomato bed is going to be tomatoes and carrots and peppers and basil. So we're gonna be companion planting this up. Put your marker in there. You don't want to forget what kind of tomato you planted. And look how much sturdier it already is. No support. Perfect. I use T-posts in the garden beds at either end. String my tomatoes, kind of doing a Florida weave technique. And I'm going to be putting some in this garden bed, but I haven't quite gotten there yet. So in order to support this little guy, we're just going to get one of these bamboo stakes that I have over here. I have tons of these. I use them year after year. We support peppers and all kinds of things with them, but right now we're just going to use it to help our little tomato plant. And because this is not a permanent solution, we're just going to very lightly tie this. Just want to kind of make sure the wind doesn't blow my baby over. Okay, perfect.